Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is the part 2 of MVC crud functional. In this video I will show you how to update and delete records from database using partial views with jQuery pop-up window. And here we got an output with the edit button controls in a web grid. Let's edit the employee ID to Jack. Click edit. See here the pop-up window has opened. I'm changing to Jack Smith, marketing manager. His salary is 6,000. Let's update the employee details. So record updated successfully. Here the 2 is employee ID. Click OK. Close the pop-up window. Let's refresh. See here we got the Jack Smith. Occupation is a marketing manager and salary is 6,000. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Part 1 video I have showed how to insert new employee record into database using partial view with jQuery pop-up window. Now in part 2 I will show you how to update and delete functionality in a web grid using jQuery and partial views. Let's switch back to the project. If you missed my part 1 video, at the end of this video tutorial you will get that link. Now let's add the upgrade functionality. Switch to the EMP controller. I'm creating a new partial view result for update. HTTP get public partial view result edit. Now in this edit function I'm adding a data type integer 32 EMP ID. I'm adding my connection string data context sample DB entities as D is equals to new sample DB entities, and the next step I'm adding my table name which is a EMP detail. EMP is equals to sd dot EMP details dot where method x dot eid double equals to emp id. This variable dot first or default emp crud class. EMP class is equals to new EMP crud class. EMP class dot eid, which is the first column name, is equals to emp dot eid. This eid is an integer data type, so I need to convert that into integer 32. So I'm adding here convert dot to int 32 emp class dot, the second column is the ename, emp dot ename emp class dot email is equals to emp dot email emp class dot, the fourth column is the occupation is equals to emp dot occupation emp class dot salary emp dot salary, and the salary type is the integer data type. So I need to convert dot to int 32, and the last one I'm adding return partial view. The return partial view is the EMP class. This partial view result will fetch the record when we select a particular employee ID. Now we'll write the update functionality, which is the HTTP post. I'm adding JSON result, public JSON result, edit. The JSON result here, I'm adding the table name emp detail emp. I'm adding the data context sample db entities sd is equals to new sample db entities. I'm adding the table name emp detail emp table is equals to sd dot emp details dot where method x dot the column name is employee id double equals to emp this variable emp dot eid dot first or default emp crud class emp class is equals to new emp crud class. Now here I am declaring the properties emp tb dot eid is equals to emp dot eid emp tb dot ename is equals to ename emp dot ename emp tb dot email is equals to emp dot email emp tb dot occupation is equals to emp dot occupation, and the last column is the emp tb dot salary is equals to emp dot salary. Here, after adding the update details, I need to save the record. sd dot savechanges method return JSON. Now the first parameter is object data, which is the emptb comma JSON result behavior dot allow get. That's it. This is the update functionality, HTTP get and HTTP post. Now it's time to create the new partial view page for this edit action result. Highlight the edit, right click, add view, the view name edit only, and the template I'm choosing edit without modal, and from the options I'm selecting create as a partial view, add, and here we got the partial view for the edit. First I'm adding at modal, the project name is mvc crud functionality dot modals dot, the class name is emp crud class. I'm adding header, heads to mvc edit functionality, horizontal line. We are using employee ID to fetch the records, so that employee ID I'm making as a hidden form at html dot hidden for modal dot eid break the emp name at html dot text box for modal dot ename break. Let's copy this employee email, modal dot email, occupation, modal dot occupation, and the last column is the employee salary, modal dot salary. After adding the controls, horizontal line, I'm adding a simple HTML button control to save the updated details. Input type is equals to button, value is equals to update employee details. So this button control to update the employee details, I'm using JavaScript script, creating a function emp update, variable eid is equals to dollar, between double quotes the element is hash this eid dot value method. Copy this one. The second variable is ename, third one is the email, fourth one is the occupation variable, and the last column for the salary. Variable update emp details is equals to, between double quotes I'm adding eid colon eid comma, between double quotes ename comma, between double quotes email comma, occupation, and the last one is salary. Now I'm adding the jQuery post method, $.post method. The post method takes the first parameter is a string URL. Between the single quotes, I'm adding the URL path, emp, which is my controller name, slash, I'm adding edit, which is the view name, action, comma, the string data, the data we are getting from the update emp details, comma, the third parameter is the function success data. So I'm adding a function data if data double equals to 0, location colon location dot href semicolon, and the last parameter, the string data type, we are using the JSON, in single quotes JSON. After record is updated successfully, I want to display the alert message, alert record updated successfully plus EID. That's it in the script part. Now I am adding this function on click emp update function. Now the last one in this partial view page, we need to add the latest jQuery CDN links, which I have showed in part 1 video in create.cshtml. Just copy these links and paste here. That's it. Now the final step is we need to add the button control to edit the details in a web grid. So switch to index.cshtml. Let's add a button control in the web grid. Comma wb-grid.column header edit, comma format at text at html.raw method. Quotes, I'm adding a HTML button control. Input type is equals to between single quotes button, value is equals to edit. We just add a simple button control to the web grid, but we need that functionality for on-click event. We need a JavaScript. Come to the bottom. I'm creating a new function edit emp id variable x is equals to dollar. Between double quotes, I'm adding the element which is a div id hash x.load. This load method takes the first parameter is the URL, the path, which is emp edit question mark. We're getting the value from this emp id is equals to plus emp id, this variable, comma the second parameter is a function. The function, I'm just copying this part, the title I'm changing to update employee record plus emp id, and that's it. Let's add this edit emp function on click is equals to between single quotes between double quotes plus item dot eid, which is a employee id column name. That's it. We have done the complete coding part to update the employee details. Google Chrome, and here we got an output with the edit button controls in a web grid. Let's edit the employee ID to Jack. Click edit. See here the pop-up window has opened. I'm changing to Jack Smith, marketing manager. His salary is 6,000. Let's update the employee details. So record updated successfully. Here the 2 is employee ID. Click OK. Close the pop-up window. Let's refresh. So here we got the Jack Smith. Occupation is a marketing manager and salary is 6,000. That's it.